Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Back in the air. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Welcome to DIY Woodworking TV and my little woodworking workshop. After a while, sun comes out today. It's a good day today. And I don't want to spend time here in this workshop. My previous project, the floating shelf, resin is still drying, so I cannot do anything. I thought, good day, sun came out. Let's go fly some RC planes, drones, quadcopters, toothpicks. I've got 2 new toothpicks, and drive some RC cars. Yes, I've got some good RC cars. But driving RC cars can get boring if you don't jump them. Jumping the RC cars is where the fun comes really in and gets you excited. So I need a very good jump ramp. So why not we go and build ourselves a very nice RC vehicle jump ramp. To build a jump ramp, I don't want to go new wood. I'll go with the scrap wood. Now, this is the pallet wood table legs that I disassembled the other day. So these are going to make very nice jump ramp. So I plan to cut it in half and, join it double. But do remember, if you build an RC jump ramp straight, your car will jump, but the jump won't be high and won't be beautiful. So what you need to do is somewhere either here or in the middle, you need to have a little curve. I don't want to do curves because for that, you need to do a lot of work. I have a different idea which is going to be quick and will give me like this slightly upward curve to get the jump higher. If you put the curve closer to the top of the jump ramp, the car will tend to flip its back up. So it's better to keep it in the middle so it will go higher. To make this RC jump ramp, I went with 100% pallet wood. I had some leftover pallet wood from my work table that I disassembled. The plywood, which was the tabletop, I turned it into the ramp. And I needed the base for that, so I used more pallet wood to create the base of that. And you must know that the angle on the jump ramp is one of the most important thing for the performance of the jump ramp. And I needed this angle to be very, very right. So I cut those pieces just a little bit using my table saw so that I can bend it a little bit to make my angle that I wanted. I knew that it's not gonna hold. I mean, the wood is not gonna hold because it's not gonna bend for long. It will break, and obviously it did. I had to break it in 2 pieces. So after sanding and cutting the pieces for the right angles that I wanted, I didn't want the ramp to be too high, didn't want it to be too low. It has to be exact dimensions and it has to be exact angles that I wanted. I've been jumping RC cars for very, very long. I started playing with RC cars over a decade ago, so I know how the jump ramp works. After that, it was just to glue and screw the pieces together. I cut 2 more pieces to strengthen the jump ramp so it won't tilt forward if we use bigger RC vehicles. And finally comes my custom paint job. Time was very, very short, so I didn't have time for beautification or anything. I just needed something quick and functional. So this is it. It's right here. Check out my custom paint job and some angle on it as well. Now let's grab some RC cars and get ourselves some sweet RC jumps. Whoa, that the curve that I wanted is exactly the way I want it. It's not too much, it's not too low, too little. It's perfect for stabilizing the jumps and getting the thing in the air. Doesn't throw the back in the air. and doesn't throw the nose down either. Absolutely awesome, man. Yeah, see, control jumps are good. Whoa, man. That's even longer jump than the XK buggy.